and I'm pretty much ready to put my magnets on, and I started sanding this a little here. All right, I'm using a 220 grit just to give it a little smoother surface where we're putting the magnets, just to clean it up. Okay, so that's pretty much smooth. Okay, I'm going to use a little old toothbrush, and I'm going to make sure I get as much dust off as I can. Okay. Okay, then it's important that you wash your hands, because your hands are going to be dust on. That dust is going to stick to the Velcro. Okay, now my hands are nice and clean. Put that over there. Then what I want you to do is I want you to, okay, again, remember, make sure you get all the dust off as much as we can. And then I go even further than that. I take some tape, and I just put the tape on here and peel it off. And that's going to take off any extra dust that's on there. Okay, so we want to make sure we get all that dust off, as much as we can get off. Okay, and you can see that there's some dust on that. See, there is dust on there. Okay. Now we're going to put the magnets on. Now when you put the magnets on, stick them to the track. They'll only stick one way. You see the way that twisted over? So you're only going to stick one way. It won't stick that way because it wants to repel. See, it won't stay, only one way. Okay, what I like to do then is I take something like a pen or a pen, and I just make a little mark on it. So I know that that mark has to show for it to repel. Then I'm going to take 2 pieces of Velcro. Make sure there's no dust around. Okay, and you're going to take a scissor and you're going to cut this Velcro in half. Now there's different color Velcros. Okay, and then you're going to cut that in half, and then you're going to stick these together, just like this. Okay? And then I'm going to peel one side. Try not to touch the sticky part. And I'm going to put this on where it goes on the car. So one piece of Velcro is going to go here. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing to the other one. Cut this in half. Okay, stick this together. Peel off one side. Being very careful not to touch the sticky part. And this one's going to go right here. Just push it down. Okay? Then I'm going to take my magnets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel this off one side. Pick up my magnet, and my mark shows. I'm going to stick this on, trying to place it just where it should be. And I'm going to press down there. This one's all ready too, so I'm going to peel this one off. And I'm going to place this magnet on. Okay, so now there's the magnets. You try your car, see if it works. It works pretty good. It's floating. Try it on the other side. Okay, so that's how it works. It's floating. Now, if I feel like I got to adjust these magnets, I can pull this off. If you need to adjust it a little bit, you can. It seemed like that one was touching a little. Okay, so that's how you adjust your magnets. Once your magnets are done and your car works, we will start the parking spots.